Today, nothing to say what I'm going to say. But bear with me, please, if I take up too much of your time. Oh, hindi ko alam yun.
Kanta ka lang. Gago lagi na namin.
Deep down. Ay, alam ko yan, Cor.
Ayan na yung chorus. Ay, mayan.
I would marry your daughter and make her my wife. You to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life. But you know the best of me to the day that I die. Yeah. Don't marry your princess and make her my queen. To be the most beautiful bride that I'd ever seen. She walks down the aisle. Advice. That I marry your daughter.
Mary.
Bisaya. Bisaya nga.
Mary. Yan na, yan na.
Ayun, ang ganda lang alam ko dyan.
O, next mo naman. Any last messages?
Mamamantay na po ako mamaya.
Ay, siya?
Parang nababasa. Aking GM na hindi naman nababasa.
Nababasa yan. Okay, anong message mo kay Kay?
Okay. Hi Kay, miss ko na kayo. Promise next time magsasama-sama ulit tayo. As in kompleto tayo magbabarkada. Ha? Wag niyo akong kakalimutan ha. Dadalaw-dalaw ako minsan dyan pag may time ako. Pag ako kinalimutan yung kukulamin ko kayo, tandaan.
Dedicated mo to kanino?
Dedicated ka to sa Echosera, Chime and Jer.
Ano daw? Ang sabi! Kay Kuli, ano message?
Kuli! Ikaw may nababalitaan ako sa'yo haba ng hair mo. Kung gaano kahaba yung hair mo, dumodoble na. My God!
Kay Mika!
Mika! Hindi ko akalaing napatalino mo! Oh my gosh! Unbelievable! You're the best talaga. Hindi lang halata. Promise.
Jana!
Hoy, Jana, kulit pa rin yung hair mo. Oh my God. Para tayo. You're in my group. Don't worry. We're in the same level.
We're in my group.
We're on the same boat. Love you. Joke lang yun, ha?
Sa aming dalawa ni Chini.
Chini, Kat, I love you both. Salamat sa pag-aalala sa akin. Hindi nyo ako kinalimutan. The best pa rin kayo kahit inaawit. Ina-after nyo na ako. Pero go with the flow lang. Love you both. Yun lang. Thank you.
Any last message?
I love Echosera.